How to download and install TD Auto Finance app on iPhone. First of all, open the App Store on your device and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in TD Bank and press search. From the results, you will see a few different apps. Make sure you select the official TD app developed by TD Bank Group that matches your region. If you are in the United States, download the TD Bank US app. If you are in Canada, download the TD Canada app. Once you find the right app, tap the Get button, then confirm with your Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID to begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, the installation should only take a few moments. After the app has been installed, tap Open directly from the App Store or locate the app icon on your home screen. Now you know how to download and install TD Auto Finance app on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.